Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to practice geometric mean. What is a geometric mean? The geometric mean of two positive numbers, let's call it A and B, and the positive x, they must satisfy A to x equals x to B. Remember, in the previous lessons, we talked about this is extreme and this part is called mean. How do we find a geometric mean? Think about earlier we learned cross multiplication, cross product, which means if we times x, x times x is x squared, is A times B, AB. Now, we only need x, therefore we have x is the square root of AB. We're going to keep this here. Let's use a few numbers to practice. Suppose we're giving a number 2 and 8, so A is 2, B is 8. Remember, who is A, who is B does not matter. You can rearrange it. So we have A is 2, B is B. We're going to find what is geometric mean. Let's look at here. Geometric mean is the square root of A times B, so 2 times 8. So square root of 16, that is 4. We're done with the first one. Let's practice two more. This time, I'm going to give you two numbers. These two numbers is 3 and 9. Pause this video, see if you can find a geometric mean of 3 and 9. 3 times 9 is 27, but don't write 27 yet. Just write 3 times 9. Because 9 is 3 squared. This is a square root. If you get a squared here, means this 3 can come out. This one come out. Then we have 3 times square root 3. That's it. All right. One more practice. Okay? This time, I'm going to give you a number that is 7 and 14. Once again, pause this video. Let's find a geometric mean of 7 and 14. 7 times 14, 14 is 7 times 2. Remember, if you have a pair, which means 7 squared, and 7 can come out, 2 stays. So we have 7 times the square root 2. This is how we use and understand, then use geometric mean. Happy learning!